Nope, we're good. It's one last bump.
Welcome back to Rashad's Garage, and today we're going to be talking about the Jeep. As you can see, the Jeep has been out the garage for a while. Got my E39 540 right here, and then the Z's always in the garage, you guys know that. But yeah, it's been acting up. As you guys know, I replaced the automatic transmission in it with the ax15. It's awesome, perfect. I can get on highways, keep up with traffic. I can set cruise control and it'll stay at 75, 80, even going up hills. The automatic, I had to floor it, like literally floor it all the way until I got up to speed, and I had to floor it to maintain speed. So this transmission is by far better, best purchase I bought for that Jeep, hands down. But the issue is it keeps turning off on me. I can't figure it out. I replaced coil pack, CPS multiple times. I replaced all the sensors on the throttle body. I replaced the cap, rotor, distributor. The only thing I haven't done yet is spark plugs and wires, but my buddy Daryl replaced those when I let him borrow my Jeep about like almost a year ago. He borrowed it and he replaced all that for me. So I don't know what's going on with it. So what I'm gonna do for you guys is I'm gonna put a few videos of me driving it right here. Alright, those videos are done. Let me know what you guys think. I can't figure it out. I'm reaching out to you guys for help. So if any of you guys have a 4.0 and a ZJ, XJ, TJ, and is doing the same thing my Jeep is doing, let me know. And yeah, I'm just asking for help at this point. I can't figure it out. And with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe for more. Cool shirt, right? Let me get one of these one day. One day.